Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have Greek strained non-fat yogurt here. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to open it, and it looks pretty nice. I don't know what flavor it is. It looks like strawberry or raspberry. Doesn't really say. And yeah, it tastes like strawberry. It's actually kind of delicious. It says raspberry, actually. It just didn't say anything at the top here. It's kind of weird how they don't say it on the top of here. It just says Greek non-fat yogurt. But this is actually some pretty delicious yogurt. Overall, I'd have to give this Open Nature Raspberry Greek Yogurt a 9.7 out of 10, maybe a 9.6 or a 9.8. I'll stick with a 9.6. That'll be my review, and eat hearty, my homies.